Hi guys, so in this video, our topic is all about homogeneous differential equation. So first of all guys, how can we say that a differential equation is homogeneous? So titingnan natin guys yung exponent ng kada variable or element natin here. So titingnan natin guys yung mga exponent. So nakadepende yan sa degree or say power or pwedeng exponent of every element or every variable in your DE. So for example ito, y is exponent 1 of course. So x squared raised to 1 half. So naka-square root. So therefore this is also 1. So ito x squared, so 2 raised to 1 half din kasi naka-square root. So this is 1 also. And here x is raised to 1. So here yung mga exponent niya guys is equal yung degree. Therefore this is a homogeneous type differential equation. So yung pag-solve niya guys is ito, may method tayo. Mag-i-introduce tayo ng variable v. So v, i-introduce natin is a variable. Variable lang siya. So the reason to introduce v is to make this homogeneous type differential equation as a variable separable type differential equation. So titingnan natin to guys. If this expression, yung katabi ng dx is actually simpler, but in this case, alin ba yung mas simple guys? Yung katabi ng dx or yung katabi ng dy? So basically, by inspection, ito ang pinakasimpleng expression, yung katabi ng dy. Therefore, ang magiging substitution natin is let y equals vx. Kung mas simple naman to, say ito n. This is n. If n, so this is if n is simpler. So let x equals vy if n is simpler. So hindi ka malilito dito guys because nakadepende naman yun sa differential. For example, differential of y is simpler, yung katabi niya. Therefore, y is equal to vx yung substitution natin. But here, if dx is actually simpler, yung katabi ng dx which is m as a m na expression, yung substitution natin guys is x is equal to vy. Okay? Now, gamitin natin tong substitution to this problem. So, y is equal to vx. Of course, I repeat guys, paano mo masabi na homogeneous, titingnan lang natin yung mga exponent ng kada variable. So, kung dikitan, of course, it's a xy, okay? xy siya, of course, i-add natin yung exponent. So, 1 plus 1 kung nakadikit yung variable. So, i-add lang. So, here guys, ang substitution natin is y is equal to vx. Why? Because yung katabi ng dy expression is actually simpler. Now, we have this differential of y equals. So, derivative of a product. So, v dx plus x dv. Now, ito guys, is substitute natin siya here sa original problem. Guys, so y, so that is vx. So, minus, so the square root of, so x squared plus, so yung y, so vx, so squared. So, this is differential of x minus x, yung dy natin is v dx plus x dv equals 0. Now, we just simplify this. You have here vx minus, so yung x squared, factor out. So, x squared times the quantity. So, 1 plus v squared. So, this is differential of x minus, so you have here minus, so positive. So, this is vx dx. So, negative times positive. So, you need to watch out for this. So, this is a common mistake. So, negative plus times positive. So, negative. So, minus x squared dv equals 0. Then, further simplifying. So, yung x squared, guys, is ilabas natin siya. So, you have here vx minus x. So, square root of 1 plus v squared. So, this is dx minus vx dx minus x squared dv equals 0. Then further simplifying. So, i-simplify pa natin. So, ito, i-multiply na natin siya. So, Vx, so dx minus, so x square root of 1 plus v squared dx minus vx dx minus x squared dv equals 0. So, ito guys, so vx dx minus vx dx. So, 0 na siya. So, ito lang matitira. We have here negative, so that is x square root of, so 1 plus v squared dx minus x squared dv equals 0. So, to simplify, so ito guys, common yung x, i-divide natin both sides by x. Or, rather, negative x. So, negative x. We have here square root of, so 1 plus v squared dx. So, plus, you have here x dv equals 0. So, ito guys yung purpose kung bakit tayo nag-introduce ng other variable v to make this homogeneous differential equation into a separable dE. Now, we can separate. So, divide both sides by x, divide both sides by 1 plus v squared. So, magiging differential of x all over x plus differential of v all over the square root of 1 plus v squared equals 0. So, integrating both sides, guys, we have integral of differential of x all over x plus integral of dv all over the square root of 1 plus v squared. So, of course, pag integrate, may constant sa kabila. So, ito guys, of course, ln x. And here, we can use trigonometric substitution because we have this integrand. Meron siyang 1 plus v squared ang form. So, we have here integral of dv all over square root of 1 plus v squared equals c. So, dito muna tayo mag-focus. So, ito tapos na. Ito na lang. Integrate natin, then insert, then final answer na yon. So, if you recall, pag meron tayo ng ganitong expression, guys, say a squared plus v squared yung ating variable. So, a is a constant. So, yung substitution natin, guys, is let v equals a tangent of theta. Okay? So, therefore, here, ang expression natin, guys, is 1 plus v squared. Therefore, a is, so a squared equals 1. Therefore, square root of a, that is plus minus. So, consider natin yung positive lang. So, a equals 1. So, therefore, here, we can say that v equals 1 tangent theta. So, tangent theta. So, derivative of v, that is secant squared theta, derivative of theta. Then, we substitute this. We have integral of dv all over the square root of 1 plus v squared. So, substitute lang. So, dv, that is secant squared theta, derivative of theta all over. So, square root of, so 1 plus, so v natin, that is tangent theta. So, this is squared. So, simplifying, guys, we have integral of secant squared theta, derivative of theta all over. So, 1 plus, so square root of 1 plus tangent squared theta. But 1 plus tangent squared theta is just equal to secant squared theta by identity. So, you can prove this through trigonometry. So, we have here integral of secant squared theta, derivative of theta all over, you have square root of, so secant squared theta. So, this is equal to, so secant squared theta, derivative of theta all over secant of theta. So, integral of secant theta, derivative of theta. So, by formula, this is ln secant theta plus tangent of theta. So, mamaya na yung plus c kasi sa other side na yan. So, ln x plus ln secant theta plus tangent theta equals c. So, by laws of logarithm, we can combine these two. So, this is ln, so x times secant theta plus tangent of theta. So, equals c. So, in terms of e, we have here e raised to c equals. So, yung mga laws of logarithm natin, and exponential form. So, this is x times secant of theta plus tangent of theta. So, therefore, ito, c lang naman siya. So, constant lang. So, x secant theta plus tangent of theta. So, we need to bring this back in terms of y lahat. So, yung substitution natin kanina guys, so that is v equals, so, tangent of theta. So, from triangle, so, this is a right triangle. So, tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. Therefore, opposite is v. Then, adjacent is, of course, ito, coefficient niya is 1. So, yung hypotenuse, Pythagorean theorem, this is v squared plus 1 squared. So, 1 lang. So, 1 plus v squared. You have here, guys, secant of theta is actually equal to your hypotenuse all over, you have here, adjacent. So, yung hypotenuse natin from our triangle, that is square root of 1 plus v squared. Then, yung adjacent natin is 1. We have c equals, so, x times secant of theta plus tangent of theta. So, x, yung secant of theta, that is square root of 1 plus v squared. Then, plus, yung tangent theta is v. Then, yung substitution natin guys kanina, that is y equals vx. Therefore, v equals y all over x. So, babalik natin siya dito. So, here guys, we have c equals, so x times the quantity. So, this is square root of, so 1 plus, so v is equal to y all over x. So, y all over x, so this is squared, plus v natin is y all over x. Then, we just simplify this. Simplify pa natin guys. So, c equals, so this is x times the quantity. So, this is square root of 1 plus y squared all over x squared plus y all over x. Ito guys, isimplify natin siya. So, c equals, so this is x times quantity. So, square root of, so pagsamahin natin guys, so x squared plus y squared all over x squared plus y all over x. So, here we have c equals, so x times the quantity. So, this is, so x natin guys, ilabas natin, so square root. So, square root of x squared plus y squared all over, so x. Ilabas natin yung square root of x squared. So, plus y all over x. So, yung x, cancel na siya, times. So, magiging square root of, so is x squared plus y squared plus y equals c. So, this is our final answer. Yung pag-solve natin guys is step by step lang. So, yung process is that mag-substitute tayo ng other variable. So, it's either y equals vx, then x equals vy. Then, perform na lang yung process. Yung process, algebra of course, then yung integral calculus, yung mga formulas natin. So, I hope that you have learned from this video. So, let's discuss more about DE in my next video. So, continue to subscribe guys, share my videos para mas marami pa tayong matulungan, and thank you for supporting this channel. Hope to see you guys and God bless you all. Thank you.